thing about being at LDI is, it's, well, just cool. Because all the stage stuff, right? My phone's being wonky. It says leave me. Oh, I don't. Reversing this around. Okay. See this? Get the camera shot in there.
Yeah.
So
Right.
showing off all the staging equipment, and it's
Mm.
showing off the LED panels, right? So what you're going to find is a lot of these LED stalls now are just large and life vibrant. Let me give an example. See this Infi LED?
Mm-hmm.
Did you know a lot of the filming now, watching the movie, it's not really there. Look at this. So what you're looking at is, this is where the actors go,
Mm-hmm.
and look at that. That's what the output is. Okay?
Wow.
So here, it's a stage. Over there is the output. There are the camera shots. And I should ask them, I'm just going to ask them, you guys okay if I go? You know what? They seem okay with it, so I'm just going to go on stage. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Cool. Now you see how this works. So his camera shot there picks it up and puts it over there. Okay? So just walk through the camera shot. Okay?
Yeah.
So see how lifelike it looks? Isn't that wild? So that's why what you're working on with the sizing, stretching, and skewing of LED panels that you're doing in SAM, what we do for digital signage,
Mm-hmm.
matters so much because it allows that you can do the back for being able to do film. Cool, right?
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at some other examples here. So this company, Prompton, they've been around the industry for a long time. They're the high-end part of the industry, I would say. They know what they're doing. They program stuff that's like, wow, this is cool. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So they make the control box that people plug in. Now, what I want you to notice on this example is there's no frame rate drop whatsoever. Okay?
Yep.
This looks seamless down to every little rock and pixel. I got to take a step back here to show you. Right? Notice how vibrant it looks, how pixel perfect. That's the high end. And it has to be because, of course, if you're doing film production, that needs to look that good. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this is why organizations that really know, they know. People that don't know, don't know. Okay? But you get to see it in action in these kind of or this kind of treatment. Okay, so let's keep walking around. So this is just one example of an LED panel manufacturing. If you keep walking around, you're gonna find way more. Okay, let's take a look at that content there. Look at that over the corner of the galaxy. It looks so real. This wasn't this way a couple of years ago. It's been the advancement of technology. Again, these are like see that? Click, 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 click. Make a panel, place it up. That's where this is the back end stages. Right? So here's another LED panel manufacturer. And let's take a look at this one. So, Virtual Production Solution, VCL. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the future of retail. This is the future of your experience going to the mall. This is the future of malls. Really? Cool. Okay. So
Wow.
what they're showing off here is curve effect. So not only is it LED panels, it's a curve effect. So you think about how wild is that? In the camera shot, you can see that I'm walking down the side of these panels. It looks so lifelike. It actually looks like the air. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's enough video talking more about digital signage. But you now understand this kind of installation for you is not difficult. You understand?
Yep.
For digital signage, you can run all of this stuff right now in SAM. Okay. And in our language internally, okay, you'd be looking at, I mean, this is higher res than 1920 by 1080,
Mm-hmm.
but this time lapse here, you can do this as an MP4 video, and imagine what you can do now with the remote control alongside this. So let's stop the recording, do another recording, okay, guys? Other than, hey, check it out. You're doing it great.
Yeah.
Imagine going into a bar and you can watch everything live. The bar is the stage. Okay.